Paying for Discord Nitro with Google Play is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can pay for Discord Nitro with Google Play. So in order to pay with that, you have to have some fun in your Google Play. After that, you simply have to go to your Discord application, and in your Discord application you simply have to tap on your profile. In your profile you have to tap on this Nitro, which should be on the top right corner. After tapping on the Nitro, you will be given two options. You just have to select one according to you. Suppose I want to buy this, $3 once. I'm going to click on this Get Basic, and then I'm going to click on this Purchase. After stepping on Purchase, it will give me an option for how you want to pay. So it will automatically is like the Google Play as a payment option. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.